The gas school was an initiative that started within my group to bring new folks into the industry. We have a number of customers nationwide, and each one has different training and what they call operator qualification requirements. The qualification a lot of times is handled by the customer, but what they always look to us for is the training of those individuals prior to sending them to the actual standardized testing.
We do gas distribution training, and we teach the people here how to work on those gas lines safely and professionally.
The company prides themselves on their people, and I think this is certainly a testament to that. You know, being able to invest the time and resources into making our employees more valuable, making our employees part of the process and the plan, I think is critical to the organization, and certainly aligns with what Henkels McCoy believes is important.
The industry itself has lost the skilled workforce that's out there. They've gotten older, they've retired, they're getting out of the business, they're wore out. And we need a workforce. The demand is there from the customer, and it's just not one customer, it's every customer has the requirement to replace their lines in the next 25 or 30 years.
I certainly think this is a great recruiting tool. I think people feel valued. I think people walk out of this facility feeling like stronger leaders, and most importantly, walking out knowing how to perform the tasks at a higher quality, and always keeping safety at the forefront of that.
We always try and set ourselves apart, and this we saw as one of the differentiators between us and our competition, where we try to get ahead of it and establish a school like this and provide that training so that the workers we send out there are truly qualified in their craft.
My name's Don Erb, and I'm a supervisor foreman for Henkels McCoy. Overall, the experience I had was good for me. It was like a freshen up course.
The school, they're trying to break it up so that it stays interesting for them. Sitting in a classroom all day long, people get bored, people get tired. So the way the school was set up, we have 3 different training areas where they can do classroom, they can do hands-on, they can actually get down and get dirty with some of the parts and the pieces.
The hands-on reality is important. My props are down low. We've gone to other training programs where the props are up to make it comfortable. You're not going to be comfortable in a ditch. So we want it as real as possible.
I think they're really coming into a learning environment where they feel that they can ask those questions. There's no question too small, no question too big. They're able to actually perform the tasks here at hand and ask those questions, and then be able to apply that out into the field when they're actually doing the work.
The mobile training lab, that came up just not too long ago, that would be a benefit for a crew that, let's say up in Connecticut, rather than bringing that full crew here, we'll load the trailer up and we'll send it up there and we'll train on site because we can train out of that trailer.
You're gonna go in here, you're gonna jump on that machine. If you don't know it, they'll walk you through it, okay? This is just gonna give you a little bit more knowledge to, when you get to the field, you're gonna know what you gotta do.
I've spoken to many customers. So far, the feedback has been great. One of the local utilities has come in and seen what we do, and as a matter of fact, they even asked me how I'm doing some things because they want to mimic that in their training.
We've actually gone and taken tests, and they said that our employees really have been the best prepared for this, and really are taking this knowledge and being able to apply it directly into the field.
We're just kind of scratching the surface here with this effort, and we're going to need more instructors, more trainers, and ultimately more candidates, quality people that have good work ethic to come through the program.
They've got another trainer in the budget for next year to add more. I can see us growing out of this building into a bigger facility so we can offer more training.
When I came up through the utility, they had very good training. I always said I never got rich, but I did get one heck of an education. To younger people that are coming up, I want to make sure that they get the proper training and the advantage that I had through my training to be where I am today. I have a passion for knowledge. And I always tell the students, knowledge is power. Why else would they have a 72-year-old man on the payroll?